Hi guys, welcome to this new plasma system. Just installed it on VirtualBox to have a real clean machine. And the topic of the video is a question on the forum. So put your questions on the forum, we'll find it. And of course, first search if you can't find the solution already on the forum, and then post your topic. So in this case, it's about Plasma. So we have installed Plasma, and it's about this thing, notifications. Now, all these applications, you can set them. Where in the system settings? It's that icon or it's this icon, but you need to go to the system settings. And it's all about notifications. So knowing the word is where you can, well, solve it. When the pop-ups comes, if you go online, maybe we can try to fake this thing here. Log out and log in. You see a pop-up, and in the top corner of the pop-up you have actually a click. So via system settings is one thing to go, but here you can set the notifications. If you never want to see network management again, you can click here. Let's wait for the other one, discover, to show up. It's actually the same link, same kind of link, right? This one is going to the notifications of network management. The other one, there he is. The other one goes to the discover. So this link is exactly what the user wants to know. How do I disable the notifications? Show a message in a pop-up. I suppose it's this one that he wants to apply and say, I don't want to see you anymore. But you can go further, right? You have this blue thing which points out, hey, there are updates available. Show notification badges is a choice. Show pop-ups is a choice. Apply, okay. And normally, let's have a look. My common sense says, okay, this should do the trick, right? So let's try. We did not create Plasma, right? We just use it. How the developers are programming it. And at this point in time, it's gonna get slow to log in, log out. We're not sure why. So if there are any brains out there saying, hey, what's happening to Plasma these days? Logging in, logging out, it takes a whole while to do that particular task. All right, we're back in. So we did not change anything about this one, but it's just a button away, and you can do just exactly the same thing. And that's that. But let's see if Discover is coming up. Still has a badge, if I understand it correctly, but we don't see any notifications. So there's no pop-up saying, hey, there were updates. So that's okay. So let's have a look again at the notifications. The badge, I would think a badge is actually, right, this blue thing. I don't know. Show in history, that's the only thing I can still stop. I can play a sound and all that is gone. So, okay, no notification. That was the issue of the question, and this is the solution. Cheers.